Hello, welcome. My name is Ryan Parsons. I am the president and founder of Owl Hill Insurance Services, and the topic of today's video is to explain why you may be paying more than you should for business insurance. There are several factors that go into commercial insurance pricing, which include the years of business experience, the type of industry that your business is in, the prior claims history of both your business and the industry, as well as the insurance carrier that you've selected for coverage, and finally the agent that represents you in the process. This video will focus on the agent's role in the process. I have personally worked with hundreds of agencies and agents in my career, and many do great work. But the sad truth is that many more also do just enough to win your business, rather than truly going all in and getting you the very best financial outcomes. What do I mean by this? Here are 9 common failure points that prevent the agent from providing you, the business owner, the very best possible pricing for your insurance program. Number 1 is a lack of market access. Many agencies simply do not have access to the best insurance companies that are specific to your industry and your line of business. They're generalists, and they have some of the bigger insurance markets out there, but may be lacking from a knowledge perspective or an access perspective in those very niche specific specialty markets that oftentimes provide the best premiums and the best coverage for a specific type of industry. 2, little to no negotiation on your behalf with the underwriters at the insurance company. Too many agents take what they are given from a pricing perspective on the proposals that are given and simply pass them along to you, the prospect or the client, without any sort of conversation or negotiation in regards to coverage or pricing. This is a problem for you. 3, an inability to drive competition between the underwriters of competing insurance companies. It's crucial to make sure that the underwriters know that they have competition involved in the quoting process and that you are actively seeking out the best possible solution for the client. If the underwriter feels like they're the only game in town, then you're going to get treated as such when it comes to a price. 4, a deficiency in writing up a professional submission that puts your business in the best possible light, which includes detailed answers to questions, as well as information about the company and key personnel bios for the underwriter to view. This makes a huge difference in driving down policy costs. 5, no transparency from your agent regarding how the entire process works, including what the negotiation strategy is, as well as how much the agency is going to be compensated for the work on your behalf. 6, poor industry relationships or bad reputation within the industry. I have witnessed several agents burn bridges with companies over a variety of things, which will have a negative impact on their business relationship going forward. These agents will never be able to get you the best pricing, and the sad part is that you will never know. This is where company references are very important. 7, overhead. Just like any other business, some agencies have chosen to have large, flashy, expensive office spaces, which do drive up the cost of doing business. These larger agencies don't always have the best motive when it comes to driving down the prices to the bare bone. 8, failure of properly reviewing claims. This is something that's important, and it's an ongoing process between the business owner and the agent that makes sure that claims are accurately reported and are showing up properly on the reports. This comes into play most common in the workers' compensation space, and again could be a reason why you could be paying more than you should for your business insurance. Finally, 9, special deals. A special deal is when an insurance company pays an agency above and beyond what their normal rate is in order to drive more business in. These are not necessarily a bad thing, but they do need to be fully disclosed from your agent partner. Again, just to make sure that they're not steering you in the wrong direction and that you are getting the best possible premium out there, even if a special deal is in play. So this is not a comprehensive list, but it does include 9 of the most common reasons that business owners are paying more than they should for insurance. Hiring a high-performing agent that is open and transparent will do wonders for your overall pricing year over year. I started my own agency with the goal of pulling back the curtains on how the commercial insurance purchasing process works in order to drive the best results for my clients. I am always open to a conversation if you have any questions surrounding the content that I have presented here. Also, I am hopeful that I'll be able to put out some more detailed videos going into more depth about each of those bullet points that I had outlined prior. I really appreciate you watching and look forward to having a conversation with you about your business insurance. Thank you.